Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable browser on Trust Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to access Trust Wallet browser using an Android device is quite easy. Simply tap open your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right. Now, from the Settings menu, tap on Preferences. Select the option that says DApp Browser and now toggle on the button right next to Enable. Soon after you do that, you can now go back to your home page and you'll be able to see the dApps option enabled at the bottom. Now you can use the dApps browser option on Trust Wallet in order to make purchases like buying SafeMoon and also use PancakeSwap exchange. That is how you can easily enable browser on Trust Wallet using your Android phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.